For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. We are going to read the passage at the picnic. We will read the first 2 sentences together. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word.
Today, we are reading At the Picnic. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the beginning of the sentence. Can you point to where we go when we get to the end of this line? If you're pointing at the next line, you're right. Now we are going to read the passage together. Follow the red dots as we read each word. Scholars, get your tapping fingers ready. At the picnic, we eat apples. At the picnic, we eat apples. At the picnic, we eat pretzels. At the picnic, we eat pretzels. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. We are reading.
Great job! How did you figure out some of these words? Did you look at the pictures? Can you point to the word sandwich in the sentence? Can you sound out the word ants? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about what we eat at the picnic. Wonderful job! Next, we are going to identify some letters versus words.
Scholars, we are going to use this pattern to identify letters versus words. How many words do you count? Did you count 4 words? Wonderful! At the picnic, we is 4 words. Next, how many letters do you count? Did you count 13 letters? Way to go! A, T, T, H, E, P, I, C, N, I, C, W, E. That's 13 letters.
It's time to go over letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the correct letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? The first one is which Which letter sounds like f? The next letter is x, x, x. Which letter sounds like x? The next letter is a, a, a. Point to the letter that sounds like a, a, a. The next letter is j, j. Point to the letter that sounds like j. The last letter is Which letter sounds like If you pointed to the letters F, X, A, J, and N, you are doing awesome! Give yourself some shine. It's time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each picture.
The word is olive, olive. Which letter does the word olive start with? The word is puddle, puddle. Which letter does the word puddle start with? The word is ants, ants. Which letter does the word ants start with? Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. In phonemic rhyme, we will listen to the sounds in a word, then put them together to make the whole word. Let's try one together. Ed, ed. Put them together. What word does ed sound like? Ed, red. Say it. Ed, red. Your turn. Ed, red. Last time. The next word is at. At. Put them together. Which word does at sound like? The last one is in. In. Put them together. Which word does in sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We will say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your pencil and paper to write them down. Our first word is pop. Pop. Say it. Your turn. One more time. pop. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word pop. Scholars, get your tapping fingers ready. We are ready. Pop. P. Ah. P. P. Ah. P. Pop. Which letter sounds like P? Which letter sounds like ah? Which letter sounds like P? Pop. Pause the video to write the word pop. The next word is the word bop. Bop. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Bop. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word bop. B, ah, p. B, ah, p. Bop. Which letter sounds like B? Which letter sounds like ah? Which letter sounds like P? Pause the video to write the word bop. The last word is the word top. Top. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Top. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word top. T, ah, p. T, ah, p. Top. Which letter sounds like T? Which letter sounds like ah? Which letter sounds like P? Pause the video to write the word top. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow your brain.